Some vehicles promise adventure, but the 2026 Winnebago Revel is built to survive it. This is a camper van designed to push deep into the wild and engineered for people who don't want limits. In this deep dive, we'll break down the specs and design choices of the 2026 Revel, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how the Revel performs on the road and serves you. The 2026 Winnebago Revel is built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter all-wheel drive chassis that's well known for its durability and confident road manners. Its power comes from a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel engine that delivers improved horsepower and torque compared to older generations. This engine is about usable power for climbing mountain passes or navigating loose gravel roads while providing smooth and controlled performance. One of the standout upgrades is the high-output secondary alternator system. This allows the Revel to generate power while driving or even idling, and keeps the house batteries charged without relying solely on shore power or solar. For those of you who like to spend days away from hookups, this dramatically improves energy independence. Mercedes' driver assist technologies are also part of the package. Adaptive cruise control has been refined for smoother speed adjustments, while lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, as well as braking support systems enhance safety on long drives. A surround view camera system is available and adds another layer of confidence, especially when maneuvering in tight campsites or rocky terrain where visibility matters. From the outside, the Revel looks purpose-built and not quite decorative. Every exterior component on the camper van is meant to serve a function. The all-wheel drive system has been paired with aggressive all-terrain tires to give the van real off-road credibility, not just marketing appeal. Buyers also have the choice to pick optional upgraded wheels and tires at the dealership to further improve traction and durability for rugged environments. A rear-mounted ladder provides access to the roof, where a rack system allows you to carry extra gear, such as storage boxes or outdoor equipment. The integrated exterior lighting improves visibility around the van at night and makes the campsite setup and trail navigation safer and easier. The van's power awning extends the living space outdoors, which creates shade or shelter at the push of a button. Bluetooth connectivity allows control from a mobile device. This is especially convenient when you're already settled into camp. Tow capability is another strong point with a hitch rated to handle moderate trailers, expanding the Revel's versatility for hauling gear or small recreational equipment. When you step into the Revel, one of the first things you'll notice is the quality of the windows and doors. Dual-pane acrylic windows provide better insulation than standard glass, and these help regulate interior temperature in both hot and cold climates. Integrated screens and blackout shades allow you to control airflow and privacy without additional accessories. The sliding side door is manual rather than powered. This is a deliberate choice that prioritizes reliability over convenience. It's important because fewer electronic components mean fewer things to fail when you're far from service centers. Once inside the cab, both front seats rotate to face the living area and instantly transform the driver's space into part of the lounge. The seats are manually adjustable but still heated, which strikes the perfect balance between simplicity and comfort. Lumbar support and ergonomic shaping make long drives less tiring, which matters when adventure routes stretch for hours. The dashboard is dominated by the Mercedes MBUX infotainment system that comes with navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and connectivity features all integrated. Owners can monitor maintenance schedules as well as engine data and system alerts through both the screen and a companion mobile app, making it more convenient to stay on top of vehicle health during extended trips. The 2026 Revel uses a modular living area layout that's meant to balance passenger transport with day-to-day livability. Depending on the floor plan, the rear bench provides forward-facing seating with integrated seatbelts so the van can safely carry additional passengers while driving. Both front cab seats swivel into the living area and expand the usable lounge space. The dining and work surface is repositionable and removable, and can even be stowed away entirely if you want to open up floor space. Overhead cabinets use metal framing and positive latches to prevent movement and noise while off-road. Lower storage compartments are positioned to keep weight low and centered, so vehicle stability can be improved. Integrated RAM mounts and accessory rails allow occupants to securely attach tablets, navigation screens, camera gear, or work setups without permanent modifications. The kitchen is compact but highly functional. A DC-powered refrigerator runs quietly and efficiently and keeps food cold without excessive power draw. Counter space is maximized through fold-out extensions to make meal preparation more comfortable than you'd expect in a van of this size. An induction cooktop replaces traditional propane systems, which simplifies fuel management and pairs perfectly with the high-capacity battery system. The deep drawers and cabinets store cookware securely, and soft close hardware reduces noise while driving. One of the Revel's most distinctive features is its multi-purpose wet bath. This space functions as a shower, toilet area, as well as gear storage zone. The cassette toilet is removable, which makes disposal simple and avoids the complexity of traditional black tanks. The shower includes a curtain system that expands usable space while keeping water contained. A ventilation fan removes moisture quickly, so condensation buildup can be prevented. When not in use as a bathroom, the area can be repurposed for drying wet clothing or storing bulky items. At the rear of the van, the power lift bed is one of the Revel's defining elements. With the bed raised, the rear becomes a gear garage capable of holding bikes, skis, boards, or large storage bins. Tie-down points and track systems secure cargo during travel. Lowering the bed transforms the space into a comfortable sleeping area, sized to accommodate 2 adults. The mattress provides proper support for extended use, and surrounding windows offer ventilation and natural light. Privacy curtains allow the sleeping area to be separated from the rest of the cabin when needed. The 2026 Revel is truly designed for serious off-grid use. A large lithium battery bank powers onboard appliances, lighting, electronics, and cooking systems, while climate control is handled through a combination of electric cooling and diesel-based heating. A high-capacity inverter allows the use of standard household electronics, while solar panels on the roof continuously replenish energy during daylight hours. An integrated monitoring system displays real-time data on power consumption, battery levels, as well as the charging sources. This allows users to manage energy usage efficiently by extending time off-grid without guesswork. Climate control in the Revel relies on diesel-powered heating and electric systems rather than propane. The diesel furnace provides reliable warmth in cold conditions and draws fuel directly from the vehicle's tank. For warmer climates, the rooftop air conditioning unit includes a heat pump function that offers moderate heating in cool weather as well. Bluetooth-enabled controls allow users to adjust interior climate settings locally when near the van, so convenient temperature control is available during use. This is especially useful after long hikes or during extreme temperatures. Fresh water capacity is designed to support extended stays away from civilization, with approximately 20 gallons of onboard fresh water available for purposes such as drinking, cooking, and bathing. A dedicated water management system simplifies filling and draining as well as winterizing, while the interior plumbing is routed within insulated spaces to reduce freezing risk, making the Revel suitable for year-round and cold weather adventures. Gray water storage is discreetly integrated, and exterior drain access also allows for simple dumping and maintenance. Combined with the efficient wet bath and cassette toilet system, the overall water setup supports extended off-grid living rather than limiting use to short overnight trips. The Revel's interior aesthetic is intentionally rugged yet refined. The 2026 Winnebago Revel uses rubberized coin pattern flooring instead of traditional vinyl planks or carpet. These materials are chosen for durability and ease of cleaning rather than decorative excess. Flooring resists moisture and dirt, while trim elements tie the space together with a cohesive, outdoors-inspired design. Lighting throughout the van is LED-based and offers adjustable brightness for different moods and tasks. At night, the interior feels warm and functional rather than cramped. The 2026 Winnebago Revel isn't trying to be everything to everyone. Instead, it focuses on doing one thing exceptionally well, enabling real adventure without compromise. For those who want to explore remote landscapes while living comfortably off-grid with modern conveniences, the 2026 Revel remains one of the most compelling adventure vans available today. If you found this deep dive helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth RV and adventure van breakdowns. We'd love to hear your plans, so let us know in the comments where you'd take the Revel first.